Pearl, I have a propane Raypak pool heater and it says spark but won't kick on. I recently changed the pilot light. Could my technician have installed it wrong?
Who manufactured the pool?
Raypak.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I would like to. It starts but only like every thrid time.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not really. The unit is 14 years old.
When it clicks on the third time, does it stay on?
No.
The electrical circuit needs to be checked to see if the gas valve is working to let the gas into the orifice to light. Do you hear the gas coming on?
I can smell it. Does that tell us if it's coming through properly?
It means it's coming in, but I'm not sure if properly, gas pressure, etc., but it is opening and it is sparking but not igniting fully. Does the heater give you a code or have any LED light for diagnostics? What model is it?
Only code is spark.
Try to set the temperature above the temp at the pool or spies now. Once this goes to this safety code, you have to tell the heater to light the pilot to prove it is lit. The circuit board acts like a brain and sometimes we have to test it or fool it. Once the pilot has proved, then the circuit board will power out to the main gas valve and fire the heater, as it gives it a call for heat. If the display is stuck at SPK and not firing the heater, it is because the PC board's rectifier is not receiving the direct current mA signal from the pilot, or there is a bad connection from ground to the board. Change the pilot and make sure that the burner ground is landed correctly. If the heater still does not stop sparking and sending 24 VAC power to the MV terminal of the gas valve, then you will need to change the PC board because the rectifier has gone bad. Using a multimeter to check the current can confirm what I think is happening. All heaters use a series of events to start working and heating. Using a meter, you can trace where the fault begins. You also want to be sure, if you have propane, that there is at least 30% or more of gas in the tank, or the gas pressure will not be enough. I'm here for you to help further. Let me know what you would need to know further.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.